In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for project management. We'll walk through setting up a connected project and task system from a template, then explore the different views you can use to track your work. Let's get started. First, look at the top right of the page where you'll see the template bar. Click the option that says Start with this template. Give Notion a moment to load everything. It will open the editable projects and tasks page directly in your workspace, ready for you to customize. Once the page is open, look near the top for the project's database. You'll see several view tabs across the top of this database. Click the tab labeled Active View. This filters the database so you're only working with projects that are currently in motion. Now, on the top right of the project's database, click the New button. This opens a fresh project page where you can fill in all the details. Go ahead and type the project name that you want to use. Take your time and make sure the name clearly describes the work you're tracking. Next, on the project page, find the status property and click on it. A small drop-down will appear with several options. Select the status of your choice from the list. After that, click the Dates property on the same project page. A date picker will pop up on your screen. Choose the start date that you want this project to begin on. Then, inside that same date picker, click the End Date field. Now choose the end date for your project, marking when you expect the work to wrap up. Once both dates are set, press the Escape key on your keyboard to close the project page and return to the project table view. Now scroll down the page until you see the Tasks database, which sits just below the project's database. At the top of this database, click the View tab labeled By Project. This view groups your tasks by the project they belong to. On the top right of the Tasks database, click the New button to create a new task. A blank task page will open. Type the task name of your choice into the Title field. Next, click the Project property on the task page. A list of available projects will appear. Select the project you want this task to be linked to, which connects the two databases together. Then click the Status property on the task page. From the drop-down that appears, select a status for this task. After that, click the Assignee property on the same page. A list of users will appear. Select your chosen user to assign the task to them. Now click the Due property on the task page. The date picker will open up. Choose the day that you want or plan to use after the project start date you selected earlier. Once the due date is set, press the Escape key on your keyboard to close the task and return to the task database. Now let's verify everything is working correctly. In the Tasks database, click the View tab labeled Board View. The board layout will appear, splitting your tasks into columns based on status. Confirm that the task you just created appears in the chosen status group. Next, scroll back up the page until you reach the project's database. Click the tab labeled Timeline View. A horizontal timeline will appear showing your projects laid out by date. Confirm that the project you created appears across the date range you selected. After that, click the tab labeled Board View in the project's database. The project board will load, organizing projects by status. Confirm that the project appears in the In Progress group. And that's it. Your Notion workspace now has a project management hub with connected projects and tasks databases. The project has a status and a date range, and the task is linked to the project with its own assignee, due date, and status, so you can track the same work from the table, board, and timeline views.